Hi! In front of me is Honor Magic for Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Honor. You need to start by going into Play Store and type in an iOS Launcher in the search bar. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. In order to continue, you need to choose while using the app, then allow and allow again. After that, swipe up and select Home button. Then go into Devices Settings right away. Now you need to access Apps section. Over here, select Default Apps. And finally, click on Home app. Now you can apply iOS Launcher by choosing it and clicking OK. Finally, tap on Got It in the pop-up, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Honor smartphone. But if you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and clicking on Honor Home or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!